Hello guys, my name is Kingsley and this is a video tutorial on how to make a simple calculator program using Visual Basic 6.0. In this calculator, I'm going to have one command button and two test bars to collect the input from the user of the calculator and a label box to display the attribute as well. So I'm going to have my label box here right under the two test bars. So what I'm going to do here now is delete the text property of the text box to make it plain so that the user can type in their numbers there to calculate. Then I'm going to delete the one for the label as well, because our output, which is the answer, is going to be displayed there. Then for the command button, I'm going to write in the calculate so that the user will understand. So now we have our interface set up. The next thing we're going to do is to write the code, and of course we know that the calculator is going to add up whatever thing that is here to the number that is here once the user click on the calculate button. So that means that our code is going to be on the calculate button. So I'm going to double click on the calculate button to go to the code window so that I can type my code. So right here I'm going to give the value of this number to a variable called num1. So I'm going to say num1 should be sorry, let me type in a lowercase. Say num1 should be equal to the value. So I'm going to write the value in full because that's a Visual Basic syntax. Value of test1 dot test. And you may want to ask why I put value here. Now if you look at it very well, I can decide to remove the value here and make it num1 equal to test1.txt. But the reason why I'm including the value is that if the value is not there, it's going to treat whatever thing that comes from test1 as whatever way it came. But with this value here, it's going to treat it as number. Yes, with the value here, whatever thing that's coming from test1 is going to be number. So I'm going to do the same thing with on test2. So copy and paste, then I have to change this to test2. Then this will now be num2. So I will now move on to adding the value of test1 and test2. Already we know that the value of test1 will be given to num1 and the value of test2 will be given to num2. So what I will do here is just to add num1 plus num2. Yes. Then I'm going to have another variable here called sum that will be equal to num1 plus num2. Yes. Now I'm going to have make our label box to show the answer. Now I'm going to say label 1 dot caption should be equal to sum. Now someone might want to ask that why didn't I use quote here, single or double quote here, and a quote here. Now the reason is because if I use any quote here, it means Visual Basic is going to treat whatever thing here between the quotes as a string. And we know that these stuffs we are writing here, they are not just strings, but they are values we are taken from the text boxes, so they are variable. So for them to be active or for them to work properly, we're going to include them on a quote, because anything we include on a quote is going to be treated as a string. At the same time, passing the sum of the two numbers to label 1 dot caption is not also going to be inside the quote, because once I put it inside the quote, it means label 1 dot caption will be showing sum in alphabet. Enter or click on calculate button. But we want it to display the result that is gotten from the addition of these two numbers. So we don't need to put it in string in a quote. So I'm going to move ahead and test this program to see how it works. So I'm going to test. This is the program. Let's say our first number here is 5, and the second number is 8, and 5 plus 8 is 13. So let us click on the calculate button to see how it goes. Yeah, 13. As you can see, it's working properly. So let us try with another number. Let's say 8 at this time. So this should give us 16. Yeah, 16. So it's working properly. Then install the program. Let us take a brief look at the program once again. Now, what I did is I gave the value of this, whatever thing that is typed here, which is test 1, I gave it to num1, and whatever thing that is typed here is given to num2, and I now collected this sum of num2 and num1. I gave it a variable called sum, and I passed sum to label1.caption. That's just it. So there's nothing too difficult here. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Kingsley. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and visit my website on www.wapdynamo.com for more tutorials, both videos and written tutorials. Thank you guys.